It's not small this thing. My bean. And that's something get to. I'm around too.
Asem nanya bikes. They're coming. Mon share the video, and then let's start and talk something about coronavirus. How we can solve this. Hello, your mom nyina kwa about Poleeno Multimedia so. Poleeno Multimedia the only say yama update about the AC we are most importantly about entertainment, but the air course we are in there I think is affecting everything. Sports, entertainment, everything. And our politics be affected. Boss, Makoba.
Joseph.
Then I'll make a chair Poleeno Multimedia have.
Dear Kosu, we are seeing right now for the past weeks or a month now. We are seeing it, and nobody thought say you are saying it with me. I say, in fact, I didn't know it me. You are say, I say that. If you say me, shall say, and your mommy who never there. Who that and I'm in Tibida. In fact, the world has come to a standstill. Or better still, okay, say, if you have a chimpa and your name are there serious, and you've been there in any plane accident, and then the plane accident point, because if you are a moment with the but it's not it. Coronavirus, yes, and a senior, countries are asking their people not to come out. When you were curfew, and it was me my bunty. When you curfew, there's something about my bunty time be now. I'll back. They are 6. We did like unishia so this thing is very sad. I mean, being see that maybe I say some way be. Many the mechanic say, young farm pie ball. And empire won't come. But what didn't happen? Aside empire, no, let's adhere to the preventive measures. No matter where you are, it is the same thing. The Ubeno Cuba, no, Uyano Nigeria, baby. The Ubeno Uzbekistan, no, Uyano Israel, baby. The same virus. And if you see, baby, and today, I am Ubia Wagano. So, New Yorker, the same thing. And so, anyway, let us all stay safe. Na, anyone inquiry and for me, na, yente say, be born near to, we are, we need everybody alive. It is our prayer that nobody gets infected with this virus. Now, your bumpers or your mumpai, especially our brothers and sisters. Our more countries are highly affected. But it's Italy, Spain, now they are calling Croatia. Croatia come with the arrow. Because Croatia here say they are under lockdown. The lockdown is also no earthquake assess.
Wow.
Into no someone shut them and that's a bumpy. You get it? Shut them earthquake baba. Is it acquire
I asked where Rama Adriana Soro a form to Jatawa say.
No, the onion.
So, Bokama Jatana,
you also
I'm on a cow.
And I was a Ghana company. It's your check whether a year, weather temperature in number we are around plus 20, plus 25 there. Baako e ho na e 28 degrees Celsius. Baako Croatia. Number 2 degrees so.
Wow.
Into
I want to say
I was at home. Oh, nti amount for the air bad. Na yare we are there and say how is he a transmitting? I mean, oh hana me bless me chawa no. Uso kufia o chempa be tu. Sani patu na wache omo no. Almost be intino ombody edi ensa koye hene ya sum ni na pa. There we have it.
And nipa bi aso no. According to research bi no, almost say nipa bi aso ho a day one fan sanko wanim kra na enye be 3,000.
Why? You see, there are some things boy involuntary. And so we said that now because they call involuntary. That is why they are trying to tell us that we should wash our hands frequently, use hand sanitizers or alcohol. Maybe they knew that me come to me on an machine. One machine, I'm the good men. Even if the show be a match up on a James, I mean, the alcohol will kill the germs. Until they come in, many made the component. That is why they keep telling us to wash our hands frequently and also use hand sanitizers, any alcohol. Because these things will help kill the virus from your hands. Into the real components of the echo as soon as we near.
Because so Washington.
Enko. I didn't say a young son, I know when you be. A young son of Fanco as soon as when you unyabi. But only say, as I said earlier. Involuntary or the beko and until say frequently let's wash our hands with soap, because if you wash your hands with just water now, the water won't do anything to the virus, but soap no has things a bit of fight virus no not kill virus no. In here everybody alive, everybody's important to us, not because we get any special thing from you. Yeah, your name be the next doctor, the next lawyer, the next carpenter,
the next president,
the next Miss Nobis will be the next car dealer, the next car manufacturer. So we need you alive. Yeah. And our social distancing is you just feel like going out. I mean, it's better you stay home. So it is allowed. Something important, if you call hospital. But on a normal day, when you no one faka say me koha me ko not talk. I mean, if you don't have anything to do, you can stay home, watch TV, listen to radio. I mean, even think about something new to add to your life.
Yeah, I won't see that.
Oh yeah, maybe I'm gonna say, oh you're a musician, oh you're a footballer. You sit home, not I say, oh, this time dear. You feel let me learn something new. We are all learning something new. Me, of late, I've not been going out often. And I'm using this time to also learn something new to improve upon my craft. So coronavirus new qua. I can bring in something new to become a better person, to entertain more people. Now I have something new. And to musicians, to other people, you will feel let's learn something new to add to our craft. You're a musician, how to entertain your audience more. How to write better songs, how to shoot better music videos, different concepts. What wanna sit down and plan. Because time to think and plan. So this is the time. You feel for that time. So you're even making use of the time or wasn't you wasting on. And also some of us are in the middle of it, learn COVID-19. So let's make good use of this time. I mean, let's make good use of it. If it's in the at the forefront, I buy everything that kind. Maybe I always can be a bit of plan. So I mean, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to help this person. So let's help. And I also know. So what's the car? The patrol, what's me about for you? Get a bit to me. Hand sanitizer. Yeah, it's not everybody. You might think that 20 cities is something little, but to somebody, 20 cities is very huge. 20 cities can feed somebody for a whole day. Maybe I will know 20 cities can be saying. So right now, you beat me up. Yeah, mama, and God bless everybody helping others. Young fan pipe any preventive measures and come. You think I say you prevent your own quano. Young fan pipe won't come home. Now I'm very sure that the good Lord. Friend also one phrase will be going to massy fresh or be saying monyam na or say yembusa or be my yembum na obey be ase be e dey na be sibia no obetu o de hobe maye na dey e dey za be sumbians no e be yenhira ntino ye mpaebo a yehye rodnyakopon ne se emere dru de emo eden nipa ho den entimi nye ono akasa no o meka ho se na one phrase obegu enim ase no emere yinso no oma emma ye ne mawu ase emma atamfo enhye cause unfortunately say muna won so nyankopon munya me no wo hemfa
but say so we no so they affect you bia so also bosoma now the asum bia osum bia affect you bia so yenyi obi amfiri mo
omo say yes you
nyame
ene say nyankopon so tinya nyam bia njombeje oni ni wo ye
na dia me bisa ne say enti virus ya adru Ghana ye betimi a survive and I say yentimi survive
oh dey inya yentimi mu survive there e betimi survive pa
na measures we na adwen say aban na animu ya or the bia tokwan mu there but if you say enko lockdown na omo a omanya bi no yen trace omo so omo ne omanya in contact ne yen track omo nyina ne yen quarantine omo
lockdown dey na me no community tese party men kase yen lockdown but I see it happening because the cases keep increasing. I see the lockdown happening. Me mashase air prepare. Mashase air prepare. Me tono because me to go na say lockdown ba I'm safe. Man you wanna say. Ntino me mashase tono me and say you tono ma thousands akogo. Everything some bibia bi ago. Eba I'm prepared. Amba you see, one thing about food stars and all those things is so why don't you buy them there? Yes, because lockdown comes with immediate effect. Immediate effect. UK, South Africa for the immediate effect. So you can't go out at that moment. So it is my prayer that lockdown ember, but the real number kono as the cases keep increasing, no. The president would have no choice than to
lock down this.
Lock down the country.
Borders, no.
But I think the borders should have been closed long time before we recorded cases. I mean, that thing was because Adia obey there and now in time.
Me and train
me be a room and Sunny atum. Because I mean, in your room, it will keep spreading.
But me fear and say. Most of Oma yenyo omu now we positive no. Estate I think say we are 14 days and onya symptoms. Until between that 14 days no. How many people no omanya contacts?
That's the problem, you know.
And see now as I'm talking I him say I recorded 27 now emu 2 afrim no. Nyame for mon currency. I'm thinking say you were over like 300 cases.
Charlie, this disease is dangerous, that's the dangerous parts. Say for the first 14 days you don't see anything. So 14 days you be getting into contact with people. Imagine the number of people that unu meshia. In fact say ebia me are influencing ebia enya me in 14 days I can meet like 1,000 people. Because I'm meeting 5 people here, I'm meeting 2 people here, 10 people here. So by the time I'll realize that I have it now meaning people be into contact. That's one thing about anything almost people are preaching social distancing. And I make say wonyi hwe ya. Tinafie no obi 14 days no ebia the second day no amesao. The social distancing is very very important. And now we about lockdown there. Message ampanyin say lockdown there. Ghana niska ko lockdown ba pe e ko media man for no.
Obi a comment say lock it down Kumasi ne Accra say Sano be there
because na anyone go.
Be onti yen locking it down na.
You can't I don't think say you can lock down just 2 regions.
I think the US states view locking it down.
People I'm Johnny.
Oh okay.
I'm going to other places. I'm be Kariako. So if you're locking there if you lock down Accra, we go kotena
say lock down obi antimi movie from Accra to Kumasi.
No one to go from 1 hour or so obotono mana bana.
Say I lock it down, you lock it down.
It means that you find a place for me.
Waka. I saw more free UK near you buy your quarantine.
Some of the others are buying baby stay. After 14 days, they will go. But if I'm free, while I better more crack acoton. Maybe drew energy or some connect. Also, all lock it down. Can't I'm for better.
And only answer.
One baby time for lockdown period. They are fine. But you have to feed me too. Because my family is also waiting. Maybe I'm in crowd two.
Also now home.
Me jam crowd two of you. Until lock it down there, the whole country. Lockdown is a better power. Because where I am right now, no, I'm locked down. But you know, do we even have
but
money?
I think that with the lockdown, no, all reasons I ever.
Yeah. Oh, Italy say, I know people who go out, not like daily basis, but yeah, go to hospital, those things, no. But Ghana, can we? Go any better whisker? Maybe I hear you who say be a whisker, but a lot of people suffering. Even Accra, I'm for people suffer. Kumasi, Kosunyane, people are suffering. Because one call for
more street now or more no more day for a day.
So one ton a day on this car.
We hoping say in Drusa.
Because the interest for a day near 10 cities. 10 I know be dinner the day. What mean to Gary 3 a year? Or to Gary Sugar Milo way
and Cataway.
And you already day.
Want to mean the Gary in the sun or where we enumerate.
Want mean to Moray 100 series. Bunch of 200 series na BDA and all those things to cook for a week. No, people can't get a week food. Where are those people? How are those people going to survive? So I think the best thing we could have done earlier was to close the borders
earlier before.
But is idea lockdown be high pa. The despite salary be 2,000 for the surviving. By a binum no more hand to mouth no. And one quite money day. Obi more money take 100 months. What's the company answer you? It's a lockdown and another day, and 24th in January.
She say we seek a come, that's a lockdown. Oh say.
Yeah, to be cut 29th. 29 years so you say you lock it down and they are
no be.
No be. That tips no okay my man 26 556. It's not here. Okay. Because here on Ohana who had a bush for no mammy and papa. Bosom soon over lock it down.
See Ghana for I think saying I ever bomb pies and a bear the lockdown thing and muscle has say and muscle. Nanya basso so dear I swear she papa. My name's are buying better that pisca mango for bina or multimedia a charge on Honda. A bassa so you'll be also in home gym. No, how many coaches can? But say a bad say so or more business no. At least I think say I was say almost so a whom and go for mobile at this time now. I was saying go for be said a Jacoma, say children so my we must start the Jacomom. And now you're saying, and your mom quite say at least or more money bino. So will be known himself.
And you have a Dodgers Cavo.
But I say, and you'll be a neighbor, minimum, no say, be a hiano. And say, be a me area, minimum, say, as soon as in beer. At this moment, I corner, meet me at the Jacka Friday. At their command, say, at least on far and two. I think that and go for status or more, yes, it be a do lockdown, it be more so on Cheromupi. At least a bear affect.
Well, people do that because Charlie on this kind of accommodation, the bush of four.
Yeah, Charlie. The empire na ebo say lockdown biama na ade na so bet e bi say ade na omo my affected na yen sebi
e for monto abonte
yeah
for pictures on tour
no sounds say ye dey obi picture to a na minim say enra me ni pa ni hia ya
so don beko
me so me de me ho beko say me ko test me nya bia
so be nya HIV me fan picture me to say we nya HIV nti ene nada.
Oh, say, I know the
stigma. I want to best stigmatize them. People stigmatize them. Anyway, I say like people don't go closer to them and all those stuff. Even if it's me, it's something.
You say band in the buy.
Oh no, I didn't have. But I bind. Say your confidentiality. We go hospital. Und reporting the trouble things now. So yeah, it's not allowed. So I mean, yens me sir. But they will be stigmatized. People will tease them. People don't get closer to them because they will believe they are. So I mean that thing there is a no. About the people who knows
Almost 52 cases now in Ghana. Things that will be up to this year and see. Quickly, I'll see a check here. Yeah, some more.
52 then the lockdown they been
as I was saying, no.
Ghana has 52 confirmed cases.
As I was saying, no. And I'm because I said 27 was saying they were not. To me, no, I'm thinking of about 300 people now.
And the lockdown they been aba. Because yesterday was like 27. Nah.
All of a sudden.
Because Noguchi for I recommend they say I buying and lock it down.
Okay.
I buying and I think I'm canenra. So I buy and look it down. Then the lockdown there. Me as I'm saying, since yesterday or 2 days ago, and my dream who say lockdown there.
Yeah, can't.
Because the thing keep increasing.
Because from where I said times 2. Which is a in Nunya do more China times 2 and there's 100 cases. Yeah, some.
Do they buy you?
Yeah, some. Now, no, I'm saying I refer for Biaba. Aside way no.
Almost say hunter then away. Hunter virus. Hunter virus in China. I couldn't power.
And say a new.
And now.
And another virus.
Hunter virus.
China for the new mabebao.
But no, if you get into contact with more fees, someone or one or Magana there.
See, I want to see a pen in China when I need you to. Now I'm going to be a
virus. Yeah, we already updates now.
Yeah.
Let's say after corona pandemic, new hantavirus appears in China. People think, and under headlines here, people think hantavirus is another COVID-19 like pandemic from China. Another headline reads, another new virus on the cats. Man in China dies of hantavirus after testing positive. Different headline reads, hantavirus, infected person dies on bus in China. Other person just tested. Another headline reads, hantavirus, news of person dying due to another virus in China leaves netizens feared. And now, we'll be a comparison, hantavirus versus coronavirus, all about the HPS disease and how it is different from coronavirus. So yeah. Yes, I read that banana. I saw for me. Yes, I said. Yeah,
I had a demo see and see. I think they say yes, a new update. I recorded 52 cases in Ghana now, and I moved to a frame. Baby, I will be a now swab on home audience and a bear. Will be keeping you safe. And your home pen will keep you safe. Will keep you safe. No keep the people around you so safe. And will be a Ghana man in our safe. The Adhering so the can't lockdown bits me up. I said they no number UK for the lockdown by lockdown bits me up. And to say undi ja na opeka kra no could digya ego so bits me unti so dia na ne so babo bang busian the obey na why aha any dum be higher Poleeno Multimedia. You be keep you updates. Bye bye.